First of all, without turning on the ignition of this car, I need to extract the memory card. But right now I just get into the car and is showing the camera is powered, getting some power. So when this green light turn off, I take it out this original memory card. You can see this memory card slot here. I'm gonna take it out when the green light turn off. So now is green light is turned off. Take it out the original memory card. This original memory card is 8 GB. Camera cannot get it, focus it. Anyway, so this is the 8 GB memory card. 8 GB memory card I gonna upgrade to 32 GB memory, but this is not a general memory card, is a max endurance sandisk micro SD card. So exactly same card you can upgrade because it doesn't support all type of memory card, is very sensitive device. So let's do it. Thank you. The upgrade of memory card is precondition is this device is off, no power in. Now I'm gonna insert 32 GB memory card. Now I'm gonna turn on the ignition. So now this device is reading the memory card. If memory card is not support, then it gonna give this beeping. So it looks like supporting the memory card now is become steady. Now I'm gonna check, turn on my app and have a look on it is recording or not. Just to remember, this app and that app doesn't work, only work this DASHCAM app. Now I try to connect my mobile app with this DASHCAM. To connect this DASHCAM with my mobile, I need to make sure this wireless Apple Car is totally enabled. Here is showing is connected with my Apple Car. But I need to make sure I press this button, action button of my camera, and enable this Wi-Fi, and now it connected to my Wi-Fi with this built-in camera. I try to refresh. It's gonna take some time. I try to refresh again, and you see this is smartphone connection. Now I have to direct DR. This is my camera Wi-Fi. I need to make sure it's connected. I should not to go for this smartphone wireless connection because this is for this CarPlay. But when I use this camera, I make sure my Apple CarPlay is not connected. I try to disable this on Apple Car and enable my DASHCAM Wi-Fi. Now I can see this Wi-Fi signal is established. Now I need to verify this mobile app is connected with this DASHCAM or not. So it takes some time. It's a very slow process. Oh yes, it's connect now. You see this orderly video clip is showing is a 30-second video clip one after another. It doesn't take too long video clip. It's a small video and linked together. Now I try to view this video. When I click on the video clip, it takes some time to play. Now it's loading. It's very slow process. It's not quick response, but you have to take your time. Loading. Yes, now I can see that is a very nice dash cam. It shows this your global position, and you can save this video clip and save it to your mobile memory card, and when you need you can see that later. And thanks for watching.